Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna take you to a day in my life. So as usual, my day starts with a hot and elegant coffee. As I don't have any classes today, I managed to sip my coffee scrolling through my phone. And it feels very great becoming this lazy. And then I pick up my daily journal and write down all the topics and material I have to study for today and many other work to do. But before that, let's make an early breakfast. Then I grabbed Bailey to study surgery, but I ended up studying cardiac medicine from Marrow. I studied about valvular heart disease and, to be more precise, aortic valve defects. After 2 months of studying medicine, I have realized that medicine is not that hard if you have a good foundation of your first and second year subjects. Those subjects are just some dots and medicine is the way to connect them. And as soon as you start connecting these dots, this subject becomes more and more easier and interesting to learn. And never ever study medicine just for the sake of passing exams. The chapter you are learning today is going to save someone's life in the future. They might not remember your name, but they will always remember that you saved their lives and how you made them feel. Alright guys, I just finished aortic valvular pathology, which is AS and AR, and now I'm a little bit tired. I will take some rest and then let's see. But before that rest, I have to take a shower, cook some food and do some cleaning stuff. I usually cook one part of my meal on a single day for next 2 days, and coincidentally today is my cooking day. The reason I do this is because it saves me so much time and energy which I can channelize onto other stuff. Some rice, some chicken. Now I'll be having it while watching an episode of Grey's Anatomy, so I'll see you guys in a bit. After eating my meal, I start studying surgery. The thing I'm doing here is taking lecture from Marrow by Dr. Rohan Khandelwal and writing short notes on my iPad, which will help me in the future for the revision purpose. As time passes by, I was getting a little bit tired and exhausted, but I have to finish the whole lecture, so I have to push myself to finish it. But unfortunately, I failed in doing so. So guys, it's already 5 p.m. in the evening and I'm a little bit exhausted, not little bit, very much exhausted and tired. And in between upper GI hemorrhage surgical management, I'm having a short break of coffee. So with this coffee, let's get back to work. Alright guys, after completing couple of more topics in surgery module, I'm exhausted and I need a long break. That means it's time to go to gym. So guys, I'm back from the gym and it was a quick, intense, not quick, but it was an intense hardcore back workout, and it's almost 10 in the night. I was not able to study that much, but it's okay. Some days are off, some days are on. I'll manage it tomorrow. So now I'm heading towards my home, and I'll be cooking some food for me, and then little bit of revision of anatomy, and then I'll sleep. So see you guys at home. Alright guys, I'm back from the gym, and now it's time for some little bit of more food. Not little bit, some more food, and then I'll be studying my remaining topics of upper GI hemorrhage, and then I'll be sleeping. So stay tuned with the video. I started with the management of upper GI bleeds, all again from marrow lectures, and later on after completing this module, I started with benign pancreatic condition, and this time I finished the whole lecture. Today I didn't study much, but it's okay. Sometimes you have to forgive yourself, enjoy with your friends, play some games and many more things. As medical is a marathon, so when you cannot run, just walk, and when you cannot walk, just crawl. But never ever stop, just keep going. And one day, all these day and nights gonna pay you back. So on this positive note, I would call it a day. So if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done. The reason I ask you to do this because it makes up for all the time and energy that I put into making such videos. Alright, that being said, stay happy, stay motivated and keep grinding my friends. Until next time, I'll see you very soon.